Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, and today we are at a place that I've been wanting to visiting for about 10 years now. We are in Snösätra, yes, the biggest creative cultural hub here in the south side of Stockholm. It is Stockholm's biggest spot for graffiti artists, and yeah, I just arrived here, and let's go and check the place out. It's a beautiful day, and today they have a festival called Spring Beast, so yeah, follow along and I hope you enjoy it. It's an amazing place if you ask me, so I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. As you can see, there's a lot of kids and people like practicing graffiti, so it's really cool. I'm here with the kids as well. Hi guys. Hi. Yes.
Bra engelska då, pappa.
Tackar, tackar.
Bra engelska på YouTube-kanalen.
So this is located in Rågsved. It's like about a 10-minute walk from the metro station on the green line south towards Rågsved. And check out all the different styles here. It's amazing. This is like the main street. So you see some people, some artists working here. Well, I like this. This grandma is like, yay! That's fun. All right, and there's also like a stage with music, and there's so many cool things. People chilling in the sun. All right, what does this say? A door. Awesome.
Pappa, det är bra video.
This is amazing. All right. Check out all the colors. Oh, try to stay behind the camera. We could not have picked a better day than today. It's about 21 degrees. As you can see, clear blue sky. All right, let's go in here. Check this guy out. Amazing artistry here. Check it out. Amazing. All right, let's go in here. I like that there's a lot of artists actually working on the project, so it's not like you don't know who did it. You can see the artists like doing their thing. So they got the music stage over there. That's nice. Check this out here, like a big square kind of thing. It says here Spring Best. No, I'm filming. Wait 1 second, we can do that after. My son wants to record a football video. Oh, we can do it after. There must be like hundreds of artists working on these. Let's go in a bit closer here. I love that even the floor is an artwork. That cannot be good for your health. Oh, the fumes actually when you do this. So I hope they use some masks. Vilken är din favorit då? Vilken är coolast?
Jag vet inte. Pappa, har du någonsin träffat en sån?
Nej, inte än faktiskt. bara bastu. Åh, han jonglerar. Ser du? Det kan vi kolla. Food trucks. We're gonna have some music. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken. I think they got some juggling. Nice. What do they have here? Some shops. Nice.
Hallå. Tack så mycket. Hallå, sound check. Ya vieron, hermano, mira, gánate ahí. Sound check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ponte un flow, checa. Ponte checa.
Banana. Chicken, banana. Oh, they got a shop here. Cool.
Sound check. Hallå till alla barn som är här i området.
Hey. What's in here?
Här så alla som vill vara med. Vi kan komma hit.
Hej. Och kolla vad som finns här inne.
Här finns måla i sand.
Coolt.
Här kan man måla i sand. Ska jag visa?
Ja, visa.
Vi kan stå där först.
Åh, ja.
Ja.
Ser du vad coolt?
Man kan testa.
Som att man gör konst med...
Precis. Och jag ska uppträda klockan 1 med sandanimation. Så jag ska berätta historia i sand.
Åh, vad coolt. Ja, jag ska först göra ett varv, för sen kan vi komma tillbaka.
Ja, vi kan komma tillbaka. Barnen kan prova på också.
Jättekul. Ja, vi ses sen då.
Ja.
Tack. Okej, ska vi gå ut här? Finns food trucks också och grejer.
Och titta, vänta.
Sen ska vi, efter vi är klara kan vi... Oj! Vänta, jag ska bara gå runt lite Axel, kom. Den är coolt också. Ja, god morgon.
Pappa, ska du lägga på musik?
Det tror jag faktiskt, ja.
Du får prata.
Ja, nu får jag prata.
Ska det vara en short?
Nej, en vanlig.
Ska du göra 2 videos, pappa? Och en short?
Nej, gewoon 1 video. Gewoon 1 allmänt video gewoon. där jag filmar hela grejen. Det är kul. Kan vi gå härifrån till Rågsved?
Rågsved?
Ja. Rågsved ligger ju lite längre fram om vi går rakt fram här.
Längre fram?
Ja. Yes, lite dit. Förbi fotbollsplanet.
Ska du göra kappet, pappa?
Ja, filmora har jag hittat. Kijk wat det är.
Jag kör lite fotboll.
Ja.
Jag kör fotboll, pappa. Va?
Okej.
På andra planen.
Deze? Is goed.
Långt till höger. Ja, den är helt ledig.
Ja.
Jag går in där, pappa.
Yes, I continue this video. As you've noticed, this video is a bit like sound, no sound, a bit of everything. So yeah, we're walking to Rågsved. We've just been in Snösätra. It was awesome. I love to see these cultural places, and the kids loved it as well. So now we're walking to the park, back to Rågsved. Yes, I love this area. It's very green. But yeah, in all honesty, all places look awesome when it's a summer day like this. So yeah, can't complain. We've been playing some football in between.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah!
My dad hit 24,000 subs.
Oh, we're aiming for 1 million.
Yes, 1,000.
1,000, 1 million. No, it's not about the subscribers. It's just about having fun, walking around Stockholm.
It's over.
You know how we roll. So yeah, Snösätra, if you want to go here, you take the green line south to Rågsved and you go out in Rågsved, and then it's about a 1 kilometer walk from the tube. So yeah,
Subway station.
the subway station, exactly. That's the English word, subway station. And there's a park here. I think they're rebuilding the park here. I'm not really sure what they're doing. Oh, some skating. So yeah, we go under here. I'm not really familiar with this area. I'm quite familiar with the Farsta and Högdalen region, but not so much with Rågsved, in all honesty. So let's go under here. Like Rågsved is actually known for being a hood. I sometimes use the word hood. I don't know a better way of explaining it, but this is like a suburb where you have a lot of like like gang activity and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, it's a beautiful place. Oh, nice. Check this out. And so yeah, it's very cool. Oh, it's a ball. Ooh, whoopla! Yes. Varsågod. All right, let's go here. Oh, nice. The people playing football. Awesome. Okay, let's go to the metro station, yes?
Subway station.
Yes, metro, subway. You know what they call it in London?
Nej.
Underground. Yes. And in Germany, U-Bahn. Yes. Sorry if this video is a bit chaotic. Not doing that on purpose, but just trying to keep the channel alive, folks. Yeah, there's a small goal here somewhere. Yeah, I saw. Don't know where it is, but...
Ja, men du kommer filma också i tåget när jag sitter i tåget.
Nej, inte när vi sitter på tåget. Men vi ska gå till stationen. Ska äta en korv med bröd. So let's see how far we get here. On the playground. Don't know which way I'm gonna walk. Maybe, yeah, let's walk through here. Oh, the Stockholm flag. It's not really windy at the moment, but Rågdalen, this is called. This park, Rågdalen. This looks nice. Is this tiles? Or? No, no, no. What a summery day. Oh, det är kalas där, ja. It's a birthday party up there. See a little basketball court here. Nice, 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 nice. As I said here in Rågsved, I have to be a little bit careful who I film because there's quite a few dodgy people. But that doesn't stop me. You just have to be a bit more cautious. I've had it before in the channel where I was actually filming a live transaction, if you know what I mean, between two people in the park. But then oh, this is pretty cool. Look, a little tunnel. Yeah, a little. But yeah, I didn't dare to put that footage up on the video, so I took that bit of the video out. Birthday party, oh yeah. They're rebuilding here some of the apartments. Är någon som är sugen på korv med gröd?
Ja.
Ja?
Hotdog.
Hotdog, yay! Precis. På engelska är det hotdog, och på svenska korv med bröd. Vadå? Okay, yeah, that guy didn't like us filming, so let's have a little break. All right, we have arrived at Rågsved station. Yes, it was funny because I literally said for 1 minute ago, oh, you have to be careful because you're filming dodgy people. And then this guy in the previous clip was smoking a certain substance. And then I walked past him and filmed it and he was like, hey dude, what are you filming? What's this? Rågsved informering. So yeah, I had to pause the camera a little bit because I was like, oh shit, this guy's coming after us. He didn't do it, lucky enough, but anyway, we made it to Rågsved station. And now we're gonna have some lunch, yes. I think this is about the end of the video. Before I get into more trouble, thank you for watching, folks. Thanks, tummen upp. Så, tummen upp du också. Nej, framför kameran. Tummen upp framför kameran. Nej, framför. Så, ja! Hej då!